Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a beautiful fish. Did you know some fish can glow? Certain fish deep in the ocean can glow in the dark. This is called bioluminescence. Clownfish live in sea anemones. Clownfish live inside wiggly sea anemones, which protect them from predators. Pufferfish puff up. When scared, a pufferfish blows up like a balloon to scare enemies away. Some fish can fly. Flying fish can glide above the water for up to 200 meters. The ocean sunfish is huge. The ocean sunfish is one of the heaviest fish. It can weigh as much as a small car. They eat and sleep with their eyes open. Parrotfish sleep in a slime bubble. At night, parrotfish make a bubble of slime to protect themselves from predators. Some fish change colors like chameleons. Some fish change colors to blend in with their surroundings. Seahorses are fish too. Even though they look very different, seahorses are actually fish. Fish talk with bubbles, fins, and flashes. Fish don't talk like we do, but they communicate by blowing bubbles, waving fins, or flashing lights. Thanks for watching. Bye.